I think it's fair to say that Ethereum has been frustrating for many traders for the majority of this year, especially people that have been holding it for a longer period of time. But we're finally seeing some movement, and I'm going to show you what I expect from here. But also we're going to take a look at a couple of other coins which I think we need to pay attention to in relation to Ethereum. Before I begin the analysis, I'd really appreciate if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I will pin two links. One to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about us. So we're looking here at the 3-day Ethereum chart, and we've finally seen a breakout from this level of 2,800, and we can see that this was kind of a really strong area of support for a period of time at the start of the year, but we lost this level on when the market sort of fell through right at the start of August, and it never reclaimed it up until the start of this week. So it's been really strong resistance. So we have now flipped above, and what we are looking for from here is any retest of 2,800, 2,900. We really want to see hold and give really solid support for continuation. We have actually not broken this downtrend yet on the 3-day chart. This is likely to be sort of strong resistance around 3,300. That's where we can expect possibly the first significant pullback on Ethereum to maybe retest these levels mentioned down here. We can see this downtrend has sort of been really strong resistance over a number of 3-day candles. Hasn't been retested actually since May, but looking very likely we're pushing towards that now. If we zoom out even onto a higher time frame, we can see that, you know, although over this week we've seen Ethereum move, we're over 30% up now, which is pretty much doubled the performance of Bitcoin, which is 15% up. But Ethereum is nowhere near yet making its all-time high, so we can see there's still a long way to go for this potentially. Still trading 50% from the all-time high set in 2021. So of course what we're looking for, now we've zoomed out and we're looking at the weekly, is a break above this level eventually, look to confirm the retest and then move up towards sort of the 5,000 level over the coming weeks and months. But as I said, there's a couple of coins that I think we should look at in relation to Ethereum, and the first one I'm going to show you is Pepe. We have looked at this one a number of times, and these are kind of often referred to as Ethereum beta plays. So looking here at the weekly chart on Pepe, so let's go to the daily, and we can see that although, so let's look at the USD version of it, we are actually breaking from, or have already broken from, this daily downtrend. It looks like, yeah, haven't quite give a perfect retest, but is continuing to move up. Now, where we are now on the daily chart is an area of resistance for Pepe. So I've got my eyes on this level here. It was support throughout July, resistance recently, and also during September as well. So we're looking for a daily close above this level, which sits at around 115, before we can see, look for continuation higher. If this does confirm, then we're looking up towards the 13.5 area. From there, that's sort of the next area to target, which gives like probably another sort of 12 to 15% before the next level of significant resistance. But again, similar to Ethereum, there's still quite a way to go on this. Another one which has moved, which potentially has more potential, is OP. This is another one that often does follow behind a little bit with Ethereum. And again, looking at the daily chart, we can see we're still really in this accumulation range from the summer, unlike many altcoins which have now broken from it. We can see that this has not, or actually on the daily chart it just is breaking this downtrend, but we're not even we're nowhere near even where the levels that it reached in September. So this one for me, if you're looking for sort of like a medium long-term play, something that's not moved quite as much as other coins, then we can see that OP has a significant medium to long-term potential. I'll just show you that range that accumulation range that I'm talking about there. We're kind of sitting in the middle of that. So even to the highs of this range here, that's like a 18-20% move. And of course, even just back to the March highs, we're looking at 200% from there. So this is one for me really to keep an eye on, especially if we start to break from this range over the coming weeks and months, break back above $2. This could really make a big move. Let me know your thoughts, guys, on the market overall in the comments below, and what your price targets are for Ethereum, and I will see you on the next video.